If you're trying to install Red Dead Redemption 2 on your PS5 or any other PS4 game or certain other games, and it suddenly says insert data disk, your PS5 isn't broken. Red Dead Redemption 2 actually comes with 2 disks and you need to install them in the correct order. You'll see that it shows up, but when you click it and you try to load the game, this will pop up and it says insert the following disk for this game. So if you were like me, you probably opened it up and only saw the first disk, maybe thought this was some paper background. It actually has 2 disks, so what you have to do is go ahead, at this point, eject the first disk, and we're going to go ahead and put in the second disk. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put it in, make sure that it's face up, and we're going to insert this second disk now, and give it a little bit of time. Once the data disk portion is finished, the console should eventually ask you to insert the other disk. And you'll see on the bottom where it says copying. So right now it's copying 0%. Now this process may take a while, so you have to be patient. Afterwards, you'll see a notification pop up and it will say insert play disk. Now it's been about 30 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and insert the play disk now. So I'm going to eject the data disk. You can tell because when it's running, it's going to be very loud and noisy. And now there's no sound, so we're going to go ahead and put in the play disk. Make sure the face of the disk is this way. You'll see below it says 46%. On my console, it already took over 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes. So after about an hour, it's now ready to play. You'll see it says play game, and then so we'll be able to go ahead and click X. And if you bought or borrowed Red Dead Redemption 2, Cyberpunk, Final Fantasy, The Last of Us, or some other games, that you need the data disk. There's 2 disks. You'll see here 2 disks. If you have the correct data disk and your PS5 still won't read it, check the disk for fingerprints or scratches. Clean it gently from the center towards the outside edge, and then reinsert it and restart the PS5. So I hope this video has helped some of you that were confused, and if this video helped, please give it a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you next time.